making bhindi or okra rasam. The ingredients are around half pound or 300 to 350 grams of okra or bhindi. Make sure to buy tender okra. 3/4 cup of moong dal. Medium lemon sized tamarind. Wash and soak it in water. For masala, we need half cup of fresh grated coconut, around 6 green chillies, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, little coriander leaves as cilantro, 3/4 tablespoon of rock salt or salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, around 10 curry leaves, 1 to 2 teaspoon of jaggery. To fry the bhindi, we need 1 tablespoon of oil, and for seasoning, 1 teaspoon of oil and pinch of hing, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon jeera powder, 1/8 teaspoon pepper powder, around 5 to 5.5 cups of water. The quantity depends on the consistency of the rasam. First we have to wash this okra and then dry it with a paper towel or clean towel. Then cut into 1.5 inch pieces like this. First take this moong dal in a medium sized pan and then wash it thoroughly. Add 3 cups of water and put this pan on medium heat. Let it cook. Take another pan, heat a tablespoon of oil on medium low heat. Once the oil is hot, add this cut okra and fry it until it's cooked. Keep stirring this okra until it is cooked. And if okra is burnt, the rasam will not taste good. Now it's been 8 minutes on medium low heat and the okra is cooked well. Turn off the heat. Now it started to boil. Normally it overflows like this. Reduce the heat and make sure to stir it once in a while. While this dal is cooking, grind coconut, green chillies, jeera and some water to a fine paste. Now the moong dal is cooked well. If you want to cook the dal in the pressure cooker, cook this on medium heat and turn off the heat after 1 whistle. To this, add the fried okra or bhindi, then add ground masala. Add some water to this mixer jar and add that as well. Turmeric powder and mix it. Squeeze the soaked tamarind and add the extract. Add water to the soaked tamarind, little more, and then add that as well. Add salt and jaggery, mix it well, and the consistency of this rasam is little thick, so add little more water. Curry leaves, mix it and let it boil on medium low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. It's been boiling from 6 minutes and rasam is ready now. Consistency of this rasam should be like this. Now finally, add the chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. Now for seasoning, heat the oil in a ladle on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, hing. After the mustard seeds pops, add jeera. Fry it for a few seconds and then add jeera powder and pepper powder. Turn off the heat and add this seasoning to the rasam. Mix it well and rasam is ready to serve. You can serve this rasam as soup or you can eat it with rice. I hope you enjoy making this okra rasam. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.